right, so we had habitat destruction and its consequences. So, habitat destruction is the devastation of the environment where organisms live. Habitat destruction can be caused by humans or nature itself. Habitat destruction and its effects on marine life. Habitat destruction negatively affects marine life because of their loss of habitat. This also causes a domino effect. Many species can die off due to the destruction of their home. With marine life dying, the success and growth of their habitat sufficiently decreases. One species helps maintain another. If the more dominant group lessens in population, then the group that was being preyed upon will become a pest. Habitat destruction and its effects on humans. Habitat destruction negatively affects human life due to the loss of marine life. Many cultures of people depend heavily on marine animals as a source of food. With the destruction of these habitats, there will be a large shortage in coastal food supply. To add to that, if a marine animal becomes infected with toxic chemicals and a human eats said animal, the consumer can also be affected.
What we know about habitat destruction. About 30 to 35% of marine habitats have been estimated to be destroyed globally. And factors that cause destruction of marine habitats include pollution, bad fishing practices, and coastal development.
So some examples of habitat destruction. One is oil spills. Oil spills are a huge problem for marine habitats when they do occur. Oil spills can happen near oil platforms or when machinery malfunctions or breaks. This causes oil to be released into the water, killing marine plants and animals. Many animals can become covered in a thick layer of oil, which is very hard to remove and can kill them. The oil can also kill many plant species by taking the oxygen out of the water. Rising ocean temperatures. Ocean water absorbs heat from the atmosphere, increasing ocean temperatures. Rising temperatures cause coral bleaching, which can easily kill the whole coral reef. It also leads to the loss of breeding grounds for fish and other marine organisms. Construction on coastlines. Construction on coastlines can be a contributor to the destruction of marine habitats. For contractors to build on coastlines in other areas, they need to clear space. Clearing the land leads to destroying underwater environment. This is an obvious form of habitat destruction. And then ship anchors. Ship anchors can be a big contributor to habitat destruction because of their size and weight. When ships need to stay in one area for a period of time, they will set or drop the anchor. When it hits the ocean floor, it will destroy any life that is in its way. The anchor will also be dragged on the ocean floor to help set it in place. Due to the sheer size and weight of the anchor, nothing can withstand it.
How to protect marine habitats from destruction. How governments and other organizations contributing to efforts to protect the oceans and habitats. They create sanctuaries where fishing is prohibited. Another way they protect the ocean is through the creation of laws to regulate fishing practices. Governments have also passed laws for the dumping of chemicals and other wastes into the ocean. What can you do to prevent habitat destruction? How can you prevent habitat destruction? Limit your use of energy or fossil fuel byproduct to prevent the rise of ocean temperatures. Another way to prevent destruction of marine habitats is to be careful and conservative of the ocean when on a boat, whether it be fishing practices, garbage disposal, and even anchors that affect the marine habitat beneath it.
All right, that's it.